This 10-minute Tai Chi workout helps burn fat, relieve back pain, and improve balance. No jumping, just simple, gentle movements to help you feel lighter and stronger. Follow along and let's start moving now. Exercise 1. Arms overhead bend. Stand tall with your feet wide and bring both arms overhead. Gently bend your knees as your arms stay lifted and relaxed. Inhale as you raise your arms. Exhale as you bend your knees slowly. This movement helps improve balance and coordination. It strengthens the legs, supports the joints, and promotes smooth circulation. Three, two, one, rest. Next up. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 2. Bend knees, cross arms, stand with feet wide and gently bend your knees. Bring your arms in front and softly cross them at chest level. Inhale as you prepare, exhale as you bend and cross slowly. This movement helps improve balance and leg strength. It supports the knees, relaxes the upper body, and promotes gentle circulation. Three, two, one, rest. Next up. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 3. Side swing bend. Stand with feet slightly apart and stay relaxed. Swing your arms to the right, then gently bend your knees. Return to center, then swing your arms to the left and bend again. This movement helps improve coordination and balance. It relaxes the shoulders, strengthens the legs, and promotes smooth circulation. Three, two, one, rest. Next up. Three, two, one, go. Exercise for push-up step. Stand tall in step 1, foot forward. Gently raise one arm up overhead while the other stays relaxed. Switch sides slowly and keep your movements smooth. This movement helps improve balance and coordination. It opens the shoulders and supports gentle, full-body circulation. Three, two, one, rest. Next up. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 5. Open lower knee hug, stand tall and open both arms out to the sides. Lower your arms and gently hug the knee as it lifts up. Return to center and switch sides slowly. This movement helps improve balance and coordination. It supports hip mobility and promotes gentle circulation. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 6. Arms up, knee lift, stand tall with your feet together. Lift both arms up overhead. Then raise one knee while swinging your arms back. Lower down and switch sides slowly. This movement helps improve balance and coordination. It strengthens the legs and supports smooth circulation. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Arms down, knee touch, stand tall with your feet together. Raise both arms up overhead, then lower them to touch the knee as you lift it. Return to center and switch sides slowly. This movement helps improve coordination and balance. It strengthens the legs and supports gentle circulation. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Waist turn bend, stand with feet slightly apart and hands near your head. Gently turn your waist to one side, then return to center and bend your knees. Repeat to the other side with slow, smooth movement. This movement helps improve spine mobility and coordination. It relaxes the lower back, strengthens the legs, and supports gentle circulation. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next up. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Front back clap, stand tall with feet slightly apart. Clap your hands in front, then rise onto your toes and clap your hands behind. Lower your heels and repeat with a smooth, steady rhythm. This movement helps improve balance and coordination. It strengthens the calves, opens the shoulders and supports circulation. Three, two, one, rest. Next up. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 10. Open, close arms, stand tall with feet slightly apart and bend your elbows, opening your chest. Then bring your arms forward and gently lower your head. Inhale as you open, exhale as you close, and bow slightly. This movement helps improve posture and chest mobility. It relaxes the shoulders, eases neck tension, and supports gentle circulation. Great job practicing with me today. Sparkles wishing you health, relaxation, and happiness every single day. Subscribe and join me again for our next session.